Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. And you know what today is. We got a really big box from Sephora coming in and you're gonna see me unwrap it. I haven't even opened it, as tempted as I am. It just came like 20 minutes ago. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out so much and lets me know that you enjoy this content. That being said, let's get started. First, going in with my Swiss Army knife, hashtag not sponsored. Cut this guy up. Now, I originally, in my Sephora order, did a really big purchase. And then, of course, things go on sale in the days after. And this box was really delayed, but they told, with everything that's going on, I get that, and that's fine. But I did make like 2 or 3 purchases after, so I wonder if they just waited until all of them came together, but we'll see, because I don't know. They have done that before. That was like doing it the day later. Here we go, taking that out. I don't think I'm returning anything. We got here, yes. What do I have here? The Gloss Balm Double Take Lip Duo. This has 2 shades in it. Which 2 shades are they again? Sweetmouth and Fenty Glow. These 2 here. I know Sweetmouth is one of the new ones and I want it. It was already in my cart as a single. And then is the Fenty Glow the regular? It looks like it, but that might be one of the newer ones. Regardless, I wanted Sweetmouth and there was just a little bit extra for this. And here is the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. This is the shade Sweetmouth. And you can see from how gorgeous it is, like why I absolutely needed it, not wanted it. Now we have, this is the Fenty Glow here. I'm pretty sure this is a new one too. Next thing I got here is the Prep Rally. Yes, wanted to give this guy a try here. This is by Drybar. Prime and Prep Detangler. So I'm gonna give that a go. I use a lot of products in my hair. This is like second day curled hair, but I put texture spray and it's not half bad. It's okay. Moving on. Oh yes, I had to get my restock of my Briogeo. I do love this one. The banana one is nice, but I just love the smell of this more. And so I just wanted another one of that. And I have here the Fenty Beauty powder. This is in the shade Butter. This is the only powder I will use on my face. I used it today all over, never under the eyes. If you have no wrinkles, then go for it. But if you're over 30, it's like, no, don't bake, please. And I put so much moisture. I barely bring foundation here. Moving on. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. In my Will I Buy It video, which I'll post up here, I said, no, I'm not gonna go with it, blah, blah, blah. It's too expensive. Like, I have enough cream. I forgot I'd already purchased it. There we go here. I just want to smell it. That is rose. That's nice. This is how I get the La Mer to last so long, because I always interchange it with other stuff. Next is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. Now the only thing from Fresh I've used are the lip glosses that they have and the toner with the rose petals in it. I really love that. Ooh, this is a glass bottle. So that's something to be mindful of. Oh geez. I have one of those rotating things in my bathroom. I got off of Amazon for all my skincare and everything. I don't know if I put that on there, but that's great. Oh, it's like oil and I don't know. I doubt that's water, but maybe. Lightweight treatment strikes the perfect balance between water and oil to deliver deep hydration and nourishment for skin that instantly looks dewy, soft, and plumped with moisture. Shake well, lightly pat in face. Beautiful. And next I got the Glowy Makeup Serum by Laneige. Anything that has the word glowy, dewy, hydrating, I want to try it. I love the Laneige lip masks and lip treatments. And I have the face lavender sleep mask. I love that one so much. So a nice little primer. Yes, so good. Next, I got the Vegan Milk Moisturizer. I got the mini to try. I've heard really good things about this, but it is a little bit on the pricier side. I don't mind paying that, but I want to know that like it works first for me. That's great. It's working for other people, but I need to try it first. So we got this. Oh boy. Oh, he's small. That's how small this is. But I mean, I think that's going to be enough days and nights using that to kind of give it a go. So that's good there. Got a few items left. And I can tell that no, my other shipments aren't here. I got the Fenty Cream Blush and Bronzer. I got 2 more Natasha Denona palettes because they were on sale. I got the Safari palette and I got the Tropic palette. and a few more things. So slowly I'll start getting a little bit more. I'll incorporate them maybe in some videos or maybe an end of week kind of like what I got this week. But here we have the Violet Bossed Sweet Violet palette. I love these palettes. Let me get my knife again to open this. I'm currently doing videos of my palette collection. I just did part 1 today, which was maybe a third or a quarter of what I have. So if it's up by the time this is up, which I doubt because I'm gonna have to do like 3 parts of it, I have the donut one, the wild fruit berry. I have like 4 or 5 of these palettes. The pro palettes I don't have because those are pricey, but I love these kind of minier ones. So I'm just kind of like unwrapping it here. This is it here. Let's open this together and take this guy away. And there we go. Oh, that's so nice. I feel like this is what people were expecting the Bloodlust collection by Jeffree Star to be about. That had barely any purples in it. That whole like controversy. Next, I got the NARS Laguna Beach Lip Balm. I was such a sucker for that whole bronzed collection that came out. I wanted it all, but here we go. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, and of course I'm wearing something right now, otherwise I'd be wearing it. Yeah, it's a sheer lip balm. Oh, that's nice. No scent. Yeah, it's got a little bit of shimmer in there. Afterglow lip balm. I had others for like the bronzers and things. The highlighter, it was way too expensive. Like, I'm sorry. Like, if I can get it for less than that, like, I don't think NARS is worth those prices. And then the last thing I got, I like how it's all separately put together here. I wanted this when it came out, but I waited. And I'm glad I waited. There should be good old love palette. Saw so many reviews of this. People were using it and it looks so gorgeous. And this wasn't like the crazy $200 one. This was like the $90 one. I was trying to, you know, save some money for some other stuff. Come out. There we go. Yeah, it's in these hard cases here. Let's open her up. Yeah. Oh, so nice. Yeah, it's big. I can't even grab it. Oh, this one. Oh, this one Giving. And these two. They got a... Is it duochrome? No, just a nice shimmer. Oh, can't wait to use this. I'm probably gonna have to do a whole dedicated video just on this one. And probably on the Violet Vase. They are such unique colors. But you could probably use a bit of this purple and these pinks here. And I think these two would really go together. Sorry, there was one more thing I did get, but I saved it to the end. But I put it on my desk here. My desk has gotten a little full of stuff. And it was this guy here. These Sephora favorites. This is the Fresh Squeeze. So we're gonna open this up together and take a look at what is inside. I almost thought that was the end. I'm like, really? That's it? That's all I got there? And it cost that much? Here we go. I always like the way they are put together. Ooh. Okay. I think I primarily got this for the Marc Jacobs and the Milk here because people really always love these sticks and I did want to try them. Although, is this the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer? I think I've heard good things about that. We have Glow Recipe here. Have a couple things from them. Wanted to really expand my, you know, understanding and experience with their products. I'm going to take these out. So this is the Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. Okay. I like that. Oh, you twist it. I was ready to like rip it off. Got a little topper and everything on it. So we have a face mask there. And then we have the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. That's great. I might actually just use that tonight. This is the Sephora Dragon Fruit Lip Scrub. It smells like dragon fruit. That's really nice. It's almost like a lip balm, but I guess it's a lip scrub, so there must be scrubbies in there. I don't feel anything. And we have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. All right. A lot of masks. A lot of masks I got the other day in my Ipsy bag as well. Wanted to post that video, but the makeup did not turn out well. Here's a friendly tip from me to you. If you're using the Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation, don't use it with the Cover FX Gripping Primer. That did not turn out well. And the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Hydra-Full Retexturizing Gel Cream. Wow. Pineapple enzymes. That's a great way to get into Marc Jacobs skincare. Yes. I love the packaging too. So nice. And the last thing, it's Too Faced, but whatever, it's fine. Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer infused with peach and sweet fig cream. I'll give that a go. That's fine. I do like their eye primers. I'm sure it's great. I just, you know, have issues with the owners and things they've said about certain people on the internet who have come out as trans and things like that and are very brave for doing so. And yeah, don't like the response that that company gave. Well, not the company, but the people who are very closely affiliated with that company. The last thing here is a Sephora Lychee face mask. So that was also at the bottom there that I missed the first time. Here we go. It'll be a face mask, and I think kind of matches my vibe today. And I was going through my palettes and I was looking through it and I saw Sweet Talk by ColourPop. I'm like, oh my god, that's so awesome. I forgot about that one. Why do I not wear that one every day? So when I was choosing my makeup and my outfit today, I feel like I am the personification of that palette. So, but this is just like a random shirt I have. I'm actually wearing the Tati Beauty palette. These are just some earrings from Susie Shearer. And oh, I hate when the clasp of my necklace shows. Yeah, that's everything. Everything I'm wearing today on my face will be listed down below. Please make sure to thumbs up this video and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would be so great. I hope you and your families are staying safe wherever you are in this world. We are all in this together. And I hope by you watching this video, you were able to pass the time and maybe are interested in some of the things that I got here. Let me know your thoughts down below. What did you get in your haul? What were you like dying to wait for? I know I was waiting on some of these things for months because I didn't need them right away, so I could wait for the 20% because we have 13% tax here in Canada. So we need that 20% off discount so badly. Anyhow, that's it from me, everybody. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day. I'll see you later. Bye.